I stand to support the cut motion and oppose the demand of grant move to Lee. Demand number 57, social welfare. Speaker sir, आमची गोंयांत जायते ST आनी OBC पॉप्युलेशन आहा, पूण जायते फावटी तांकां एक कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट काडपाक इश्यू जाता. Although the circular issued in 2013 is clear about how process of how to obtain caste certificate, but still there is confusion. Speaker sir, I want to know what exactly is the role and use of caste certificate issued by respective caste organization. Do they have any validity? As per the reply to my LEQ 147 answered last year on 18 July 2023, Department does not maintain any list of organizations Ansar Dilla who are competent to give caste certificate. Still, we see such certificates are issued. Speaker sir, recently there was an issue where a caste that belongs to one religion is in OBC, but a same caste person in another religion is denied the benefit. What is the department say on this matter? Speaker sir, Biara caste census are latej bhashen Goyan caste census जावपाक जाय. Speaker sir, there is often a delay in disbursement of funds under various schemes. I know the Honorable Minister is trying his best to disperse funds quickly. I had asked the LEQ in February 2024 about the delay, and we were informed that the fund under scheme 1, support for library for visually challenged, second, fund for severe disability scheme, and third, financially assistance to victim of COVID-19 family were pending among major applicants to the tune of around 1 crore. I hope the department has released this dues, and it doesn't look good to keep such matters pending. Severe disability person scheme payment is pending from 2017 with 51 applicants, and that itself is a serious issue, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, अनेक major issue are availability of hostel for students of backward classes. We have asked the LEQ number 44 on 29 July about the delay in construction of hostel for OBC boys and girls as Goa University under centrally sponsored scheme. This matter is pending for a very long time. What is the exact problem? There is an acute shortage of hostel.
1 minute. Honourable Member.
Under Rule 16 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours.
The motion is that the sitting of the House be increased by 2 hours. Those in favour say aye.
Aye.
The House is agent. The sitting of the House is.
Aye.
The sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours.
Speaker sir, there is an acute shortage of hostel facilities in Goa University, and such facilities must be provided as soon as possible. The फाडल्या वर्सा हांव एक स्टुडंटा घेवन गेल्लो थिंगा OBC, कित्याक थिंगा hostel admission करपाक गेल्यार एक रुमांत 3 जाणां दवरता धाकट्या रुमांत. Speaker sir, I want an assurance from Honourable Minister that this work will be taken up on priority. Speaker sir, also disbursement of scholarship is now almost online, but delays in such matters should be avoided. Speaker sir, there are several young widows, and the support they get from the government is not enough. There has to be a priority for granting them jobs in government or semi-government organization. And also private organizations should be provided incentives for employing widows who need to support themselves and their families. Or they should be provided funds to start their own business on their own. Speaker sir, how much fund is allotted to Goa State Scheduled Caste and other backward classes, Financial and Development Corporation Limited? For example, last year, 2023, it was 1.5 crores. It is very less to support such a large OBC and ST population in Goa. So hence the increase in funding should be done. Speaker sir, Umid scheme for senior citizen is of great support to senior citizens who can spend the daytime in the company of other seniors. It is still not picked up and is needed to be set up at more places. I could request Honourable Minister to provide more details about the inspection that have been carried out in the existing centres and their needs for more funds. Speaker sir, demand number 87, Department of Archaeology. Department had issued draft notification in February 2024 for notifying 7 more sites as protected sites. I would like to know what was the process followed for identifying and notifying them, whether some more sites are considered or requested by public and expert, and what were the reasons that they were not included. There are several sites that need protected status. I think government has overlooked some of them. Some of the existing sites are also facing threat. It is also a serious matter that the fort walls of some of the protected walls are collapsing. There is a need to monitor these sites, especially during monsoon. Speaker, sir, या पहिले हांवें विचारलें आतां TCPQ डिपार्टमेंटान विचारलें about one protected site listed in serial number 7 in original notification, which is Casa da Palvara, popularly known as Gun Factory at Panelli, Old Goa. It is shown to be survey number 4, subdivision 3, and it's shown that the land belonged to government. I have asked whether it is still there, whether any construction has come in this area. The TCP department and archaeology department has not provided this detail, as assured to me on the floor of the house earlier. And hence it is the duty of archaeology department to verify whether this site is existing, and if it is existing, what is its status. Speaker, sir, this is one of the smallest department and needs staff on ground, but has very few staff of not more than 20, I think. When is the recruitment going to take place and the staff deployed at these protected sites? Speaker, sir, demand number 45, Department of Archives. Speaker, sir, Archive Department is shifted to Kadamba Plateau at a very inconvenient location for public. People are facing hardship to reach there. Besides, the rent charges for use of this complex is very high, which is 13,69,690. Government has till date paid almost 2 crores for this office. Surprisingly, there is no move seen to construct a new building at the original office site. Why there is a delay? And only after completing all the formalities of construction of a new building, shifting of departments should have taken place. Otherwise, it will be like the old Goa State Museum, which was shifted from its part of building and still till date, they don't have their own building. Speaker, sir, what about the publication of research journals? Is it going on? Research journal in this field is needed, as a lot of researchers are doing research in Goa using material from archives. Speaker, sir, the facilities for researchers on paper looks good, but when they actually approach the department, they are facing problems. The room provided for research document to access is also limited. Speaker, sir, with this, I support my cut motion and oppose the demand.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस, जिसका पीला दाना है संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान। अब घर घर में पंचामृता।